Hello, welcome to this section, deep dive into political science and international relations. Political science focuses on the theory and practice of government politics at the local, state, national and international levels. Now the advent of these subjects as a field of study is quite interesting. Even though social science weren't academically recognized as such until the 1800s, the concept of political science has been around since ancient times. As the time advanced, we got to see a more structured understanding of governments and their affairs. This was also aided because we had dedicated people to understand the politics and devise theories with respect to the field. Social scientists like Karl Marx and Max Weber shifted the focus of politics from specific government institution to a broader subject like economy and religion. With such strong influence that the field has had on what we see as a governmental system, today it is obvious that people would like to study it and gain from it. Students striving to achieve a political science degree should have a love for politics and an interest in the way the government works. Since political science is among the social sciences, the political science degree program is under the umbrella of the liberal arts department at most colleges and universities. It is also offered as a standalone specialization at the undergraduate level course. With the advancement of the course, the students are able to tailor their choices of study. Typically, at an undergraduate degree level, students are required to take classes in staple sub-concentrations such as country-specific politics, comparative politics, and political behavior. Students graduating with a political science degree will be prepared for a variety of fields, including but certainly not limited to journalism, law, and politics. International relations is a specialization within political science. However, with the kind of popularity and utility that it has to offer, many universities have started to offer it as a standalone program. It is a diverse field both in terms of what kinds of behavior are studied and how they are studied. International conflict, particularly war, keeps on being a significant focal point of the field. As the world has become more reliant, scholars have become more aware of the importance of international economic activity. As a result, scholars are analyzing world trade, communications, development, foreign investment, and international finance. How states settle on international strategy choices is another significant region of study. National security arrangement, atomic discouragement, arms control, and barrier spending choices are common instances of international strategy choices. Because of the development of globalization and the advancement of economics around the globe, nations have come nearer to one another than any time in recent memory in mankind's history. This has resulted in a rising need for specialists well versed in building and maintaining ties. These authorities handle connections that go from being two-party to multilateral. They may be in between similar parties, say two governments, or sometimes between two parties with different interests, say governments and organizations wanting to set up business in those countries. At times, the interaction may involve conflicts, legal issues, and so on. Each requires an unmistakable arrangement of abilities and mastery. Hence, international relations is a study of a relationship between countries, the roles of sovereign states, intergovernmental organizations, international non-governmental organizations, and multinational corporations. An individual wishing to specialize in international relations in India can do so at the undergraduate and at the postgraduate level. Taking a postgraduate course is highly advised. Career options range from government jobs to international bodies. Students of this branch study the diplomacy strategies, industrial growth patterns, trade patterns, etc. of all countries. Students of this stream can work in various government jobs and at the embassy. Now let us look at the bachelor's degree and specialization in political science and international relations. Many colleges in India offer a BA or else a BA Honours in political science. Similarly, at the master's level, an MA political science is the degree that is awarded. It is the same for courses in international relations as well. Now, both these courses are very popularly available to the students as a part of liberal arts course. Most of the liberal art universities in the country will have political science and international relations as one of the choices for a major or minor in the course. For a country option abroad, many students can also get a combination course with many other disciplines such as language, history, political science, etc. As for higher education, students will have Masters in Arts courses, and thereafter the students can opt for research-based MPhil and or a PhD course. Let us look at the top colleges for political science. Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi; St. Xavier's College, Mumbai; St. Xavier's College, Kolkata; Hindu College, New Delhi; Christ deemed to be University, Bangalore; Fergusson College, Pune, and more. Top colleges offering international relations at the undergraduate and postgraduate level are Jindal School of International Affairs, Sonipat; Flame University, Pune; Kriya University, Sri City; Ashoka University, Sonipat; Shiv Nadar University, Delhi; School of Liberal Studies, Pandit Deen Dayal Petroleum University, Gandhinagar, etc. Now, let's talk about the admission process. Admission to BA and BA Honours courses in political science takes place through the score of the students in grade 12. Most of the college roll out forms in the month of April to May, and the cutoffs are out by June. For admission to liberal arts courses in the country, students have to go through a multiple state admission processes like application, registration, interview or group discussion, or even entrance test for some universities, etc. Apart from these, the academic score of a student will also play an important role. Hence, it is safe to say that the students will have to face a holistic admission process. The application forms for liberal art courses start in the month of October, November each year and go on till March. Now let's look at some of the top colleges around the world. UK universities: London School of Economics and Political Science, University of Cambridge, and King's College London. USA universities: Boston University, Yale University, and University of Southern California. Canadian universities: University of Calgary, University of British Columbia, and University of Toronto. Moving on to industries and career options. Students usually start with a bachelor's degree and start looking for a career right after that. In any case, it is suggested for the student to pursue masters in the same so that they get more opportunities and versatility in career fields. Few career paths to gain work experience before delving deeper into political science and international relations are banking and accounting services, local and national governments as government relation consultants, multilateral and intergovernmental organizations, non-governmental organizations, media and publishing companies as marketing and client relations officers, etc. The extent of international relations and political science is moving towards the pinnacle of a new age vocations, and the field offers extraordinary open doors in changed circle of economy. International relations and political science is a good base for high-level administration, investigation, and analysis work in a number of professions. Let us look at the specific job roles that the students of political science and international relations can take up. Civil services, politics and government. Students can find career options as a diplomat, intelligence specialist, or political analyst, or a political advisor. Business and law. Students can find career options as lobbyist and law. International organizations, non-profit organizations and NGOs. Education and research, psephology, etc. Let's talk about skills required to have a career in these fields. To have a stellar career in political science and international relations, apart from being a responsible citizen, one needs to have skills like problem solving and decision making skills, communication and negotiation skills, interpersonal skills, teamwork, research and presentation skills, and much more. That's all for this section, deep dive into political science and international relations. For in-depth information about admission process, deadlines, career opportunity, pros and cons of the career, please refer to the reading material. See you soon in the upcoming section.